Hi, my name's Kip. I've been training with the Moto Academy for 2 years now.
Hello, Albert here with Stank Dog. We got him here on a Friday before San Diego Supercross. I don't know how I managed that, but we did it.
He's a lucky guy.
So we have Stank Dog's Supercross practice bike, yes?
Yes.
125?
Exactly the same as the race bike.
Can you explain maybe, I don't know how in-depth you want to go on modifications, but what's done to it?
Okay, we got a micro polished transmission by Jim Hasker. The crank is done by Crankworks. Then Hasker does the cylinder, and then it's a fat head with a custom cut piston to a 12 degree with V-force reeds, pro circuit pipe, and that's about it.
Wow, he was ready for that.
He's knowledgeable. And it's Supercross suspension, obviously.
Supercross suspension.
So that'll be the big differences. Now this one, it's a fuel injected 150. It's made primarily for the woods, I think. He has Olin suspension on it. So we'll see. Go spin a couple laps, do whatever the heck you want to do, come in, switch bikes, and then give us a lowdown.
Okay, here's the best part about this bike.
Go kickstart, baby.
What's bad?
Okay, so the 150 fuel injected versus the 125 carbureted. All around, the 125 is honestly much more responsive, even more than the fuel injection. I did feel like in some of the pockets, like especially if it was like a Supercross pocket and you were to go to get on the gas super hard, it does have a slight hesitation that this 125 doesn't. For a woods bike, it does have a lot of top end. It is one of the faster woods bikes that I have ridden. The suspension on it, I hate to say this, but it's great. It is soft, but for a beginner rider and you know, for the trails, that is a comfortable riding bike, and it definitely wouldn't get you in trouble.
Oh, this bike's hilarious.
Right?
I thought I had that no problem, and it just was like, no. The suspension's plush though, I like it.
That's what I thought too. It's nice and soft. Handles good.
Oh, this thing's sick. I don't know if the GoPro will capture my excitement a little bit right off the bat. Unbelievable. All right, we'll start with this one. Great bike. Like if I were racing in the woods, this would be a great bike for it. Power is super controllable. The electric start's a no-brainer for the woods. Suspension's crazy plush. Like you don't feel anything on that other than when you try to hit a jump. But like in the woods hitting rocks, logs, that bike's awesome. But it feels like it has no power. This bike, oh, it's so crisp. It's the best 125 I've ever ridden.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's sick. It shifts totally smooth. You don't have to let off the gas. It just throws itself into gear. The suspension feels great. I bet you I love the suspension in Supercross. I can flick it around like nobody's business. Like I can just put this bike wherever the heck I want. Oh,
You want to borrow it for East Coast?
it makes me wanna, can I rent it?
You can borrow it.
Gillette.
So much fun. So much fun. This is the best 125 I've ever ridden, truthfully. It's great. Oh, it's just so perfect. Why would anybody choose to race the 450 class when you could race on this bike?
Yep.
Oh my God. All right, well there you have it.
Let's hear some numbers.
Do I give it a score?
Yeah.
For what it is, a 125, I'm gonna give this a 9.99.
Yep.
I'll give that bike for what it is, a trail bike. Pretty good. Probably 8.2. That bike's solid. But this is next level. Next level.
Yep.
That's why nobody's having more fun than this guy right behind me. I understand now. I understand now. Yeah, that's sick. Well, hey, thank you for letting me ride it. That was
Absolutely.
fun. What do you give that first score? 1 out of 10.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give it a fair score off of if I was riding it in the woods. For a woods bike, I definitely put it in the 9 range. Setup wise, handlebar wise, wasn't the most comfortable bike for me, but for woods, let's give it a 9. And then my own 125 for outdoor, I'm gonna give it a 10.
Oh, I love it. All right, well, there you have it. Stank Dog 2-stroke review. That's the video everyone's been waiting for, I'm sure. This bike is even set up the way that I want it to be set it up. Like the bars are sick.
I may not have the best style, but I know how to set that thing up to ride good, right?
It's good. Everything's perfect. What kind of bars are these?
Stock.
They are?
Stock Pro Taper bars.
Stock, I like it.
See, like you were telling all the people in the class, you don't just stock, just ride it stock. You just set it up. The bars, the levers, are all stock.
These bars are sick. Well, there you have it. YouTube 2-stroke review. Thank you, Stank Dog. He taught class today, awesome. Just taught class with his goggles and helmet on the whole time. That's a first. I like it. I like his style. All right, well, that's it. Toodaloo.